So stock market crashing for the second time, another stimulus check coming up, $4,000 travel credit that are we going to be really using up to 4,000, I guess. And the second time that the stock market is crashing, I think it's going to be a hell of a crazy ride. So let's go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to talk about stock market today and the second time that it's going to be crashing in matter of 2-3 months. So stay tuned. Let's go. What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Yousef, and today we're going to be talking about the stock market crashing for the second time. That's right, you heard me correct, for the second damn time. So I don't know about you guys, but I've seen the news about another stimulus check, which I don't think it's going to go through. And then there's a $4,000 domestic travel credit, which sounds insane just because they're basically giving you back $4,000, up to $4,000, which is can be like half of basically everything you spend. So literally you have to spend $8,000 for them to give you back $4,000. But who has $8,000 to travel when everybody is on unemployment, nobody has job? Who can travel really? Someone who's in need of a stimulus check is not gonna have the money to travel and to go Disneyland and have fun. Just sound bizarre. Like, I don't know what they're thinking in New York. I don't know what they're thinking in Washington, and the stock market is crashing. So I'm going to get into it, and I'm going to go over some of the stocks that I think it's a great time to buy them again. And if you did listen to my previous videos of the stocks that I recommended, they're all up multiple percent. And you could have made a really great money in the medical sector and the healthcare sector. And now I'm gonna go over them again, give you guys some new stocks and some previous stock that I talk about that I think they're gonna be a great potential again when the stock market just came down this much. So today is Sunday. You guys gonna be able to basically invest some money starting tomorrow, Monday, and hopefully it's gonna be the week that you guys gonna be able to make some money, some real money. I'm sure you guys saw that basically the stock market on Friday, and it was insane. ZYXI was down, CLF was down, BIOC, SPHD, every ETFs, and most of the basically stock market was in red. And that sounds kind of crazy just because people have no idea what's going to be happening with the corona. And people are shocked is the rates are going back up again, and we're getting more people sick. And it's the right time, I guess, for you guys to be able to invest into the stock market if you didn't take the time to invest 3 months ago, 4 months ago. And you guys basically just found me, and I'm gonna be helping you guys to get rich in such a short period of time, just because there's so many good stocks that you would be able to invest your money as of right now, that it's gonna give you such a great amount of return, especially if you're getting that $600 extra on your unemployment check. And it's gonna, it's gonna be crazy. So imagine $2,400 a month investing into the stock market. It's gonna give you so much back that you're gonna don't even need your unemployment check in a couple of months. So let's get into it, man. Let's go. I'm gonna be starting with my most favorite stock of all times, the ZYXI, the ZYXI. ZYXI is a great company, guys, to invest into it. I don't work for them, but I do have their stocks, and I love buying ZYXI just because it's one company that it literally goes up, and it has so much potential for you guys to invest into it. Back about a month ago, month and a half ago, when I told you guys about them, their stock were only $18, $19. Now they're almost $25. They've been hitting the new highs every single week, and it's kind of crazy. So now they're about $24.06. It did go up to $25, $26, $27, and it had a new highs. And again, it came back down because of all the bad news that is happening, all the new cases. So again, it's a great opportunity for you guys to invest into it right now, again, since it's, so cheap now. So if you're looking at the 1 week chart, it's still up for the week, $3.18, which is about 15%. Insane. Which kind of bank is going to give you 15% interest on your money in 1 week. So that's just crazy. So, and then if you still look at their 1 month, they're up 22%. 3 months, they're up 117 damn percent. So get on to it, man. Get on. So again, ZYXI is one of my most favorite stocks that you should be investing your money right now into it, just because it's gonna go up and you're gonna feel sorry that you didn't invest into them. And basically, it's one of my most favorite stocks. It's not a huge company yet, but they have so much potential, and they basically almost have no debt. Their cash flow is crazy, and they're ready to jump to $25 to $30 within the next couple of months. I would say within the next month. So getting that over with, let's go to my second account that I think it's gonna be the best stock for you guys to invest if you like ETFs. So ETFs are my second type of favorite stocks that I usually like to invest my money into, just because I don't really have to be worried about each specific stock, and I don't have to be basically worried about one stock coming up and down, and I can just invest it and forget it and make money easily. So the second favorite account that I love and I put a lot of money into it is SPYD. SPYD, it's another basically S&P 500 high dividend ETFs that it's gonna give you a really good amount of basically dividend, even if the stock market doesn't go up or you lose money or you gain money, you still get your dividend. And that's the best part of one of the ETFs, that basically not only SPYD but SPHD, they're both great ETFs that you would be able to invest your money into them right now. And this is the time for you to basically make money, because these guys have been all-time low within the past month or two. So if you look at for the day, on Friday it was down about 2%, so it came down about 60 cents. Now it's at $28.30. But if you look at the 1 week chart, it's still up about 1%, and in the 1 month chart they're up about 5.4%, which is insane. And you really want to take the time to invest into these guys, because they're never gonna come down again. And it's a great opportunity for you to invest into them, especially now that the stock market have been almost crashing for the second time in just a matter of 2-3 months. My third and final stock that I think you guys should really take the time to invest your money into is basically Catalent. Catalent, basically the symbol that you guys can look for it is CTLT, and I talked about them before. They basically biotechnology company. They create a lot of basically medical pharmaceutical part of the stock market, and they're the best, and I think they're gonna be bought out soon. This is my guess, and just because the way that their patterns are going, I think they're gonna be bought out soon. Right now it's about $71.22. It's a little bit more expensive, but I think it's so worth it to invest into them, just because I think they're gonna be bought out soon. And if you look at their 1 month chart, they're up about 0.03, which is not a lot, and they didn't really gain anything in the basically 1 week, and they're down in a 1 month chart, so they're down about 11%, and it's a great time to buy back into it. Again, watch my previous video that I'm gonna post for you guys up here. When it's red, you need to be buying, you need to be investing more money. You definitely don't want to basically invest money into any stock when it's green and it's going up and it's going crazy, just because at any minute it could break down and come back down and you would be losing money. So the best time to buy any stock, first you need to do your own research. Don't take my words for it, and I think you need to be able to actually invest the money into it when the account is red, basically when the stock came down and it's negative, because it's going to be oversold, and it's going to be the great opportunity for you guys to start investing into that. And the minute you do, you're going to see a result of gaining money into it. And as of right now, it's about 10% down for the month. It's about $71.22 again, and it's down about $8.61. And again, it's a great time for you to invest your money into it right now, just because it's been down within the past month. Like I said before, since they're down in a month, it's a great time to invest into them. But if you look at their 3 month chart, they're basically up 73 74%, and that's why you need to buy them right now that are red in a 1 month chart and be able to make profit and make money from them as soon as they go back up again. So again, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you one more stock just for the bonus of the sake of the goodness. So one more stock, stay tuned. My last and favorite stock would be eyes, second side medical product. Eyes is trending about $1.12 right now, but it has such a great potential just because I think they're being bought out again too, and it's a great time to invest into them. If you look at 3 months chart, they are down about 58%, about $1.61. That's why it's a great time for you to invest into them. These are the stocks that I usually don't talk about, but I want you guys to profit from them. That's why I want you guys to invest into them now that they're red, and it would be a great time for you to make money into them. And that's why I'm basically telling you guys, because eyes actually been founded from 1998 and their average volume is about 2.58 million. They don't have any dividends, but they have only 112 employees and they're all invested into the company. And if you actually look at their basically expected earnings, they've been doing such a great job within the past few quarters, and it's a perfect time to invest into them as it's so cheap. It's only $1.12, and I think you should take the time to basically go over them and see if it would be a great time. And since they're so cheap right now, you would be able to buy a lot of them. Like even $100 they can get you about 90 shares, and that's amazing just because if they get bought out, let's say in $5, you made 5 times of your money in just, I don't know, a couple of months. So again, it's a perfect opportunity for you guys to invest into eyes, and it's a great company that I think you guys should take the time and basically do your own research and read about them and educate yourself. Again, stock market is all about research and making sure you're investing into the right type of account so you can make money and not get frustrated with it and basically quit out of the stock market. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I earned your thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the stocks that I talk about today. Again, my favorite stocks are definitely SPHD, SPYD, CTLT, and eyes. Eyes, definitely you guys want to invest into it. And ZYXI, again, is my all-time favorite stock just because I made so much money on it, and I think you guys should take the time to invest into it to make money just by me. Hope to see you guys soon in next few videos, and ciao.